Good evening all. Today come with a problem that this Bluetooth speaker, you see the jack is not there. Actually jack has broken. So I just open the screw and see what happened. You see that this is the jack already has broken. So I want to attach this external jack. Let's go how to I attach it. First of all, I open the circuit first. Jack was at that position which has broken, and I am not going to attach this socket. I am attaching the external socket. It will be better. So how it possible? So first of all, I attach this jack first and see the polarity. Just I insert, plug in and check the voltage, which is positive and which is negative. .87, it is negative, and this, and here blue is positive and green is negative. So I just open it and this position will be positive. I am going to solder and connect this path. Make it sure everything is right, and this one is negative. Make it sure that I turn my meter to the continuity mode and check it which is ground. This one is ground. here blue is positive and green is negative. I just connect with the ground. The blue air connected with the ground. Now I giving supply. Yeah, red light is glowing. See, red light is glowing. I'm trying to on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Now it is going ready. Thank you.